Welcome to Bezi 101. Whether you're a 2D designer expanding your skill set into 3D design, a 3D designer who wants to learn how to make your work interactive, a game designer looking to speed up your workflow, or simply someone looking to build your expertise in the rapidly changing field of 3D and immersive technology, then Bezi 101 is for you. Bezi is a web-based design platform that streamlines the 3D design workflow from ideation to developer handoff. This allows designers to focus on cutting-edge creative work and developers to focus on deep technical problems. With Bezi, designers can create advanced, interactive 3D projects without needing to write code. Teams can create and iterate on the creative vision through Bezi's real-time and asynchronous collaboration features such as live updates, multiplayer access, and placing feedback directly onto 3D models. By removing the friction of device compatibility, stakeholders can easily experience immersive projects, no matter what device they're using, all in a few seconds, no setup required.
Hi, I'm Rafael, Design Advocate at Bezi. Bezi 101 is the best place to start your journey into 3D interaction design. This series is a collection of bite-sized tutorials for designers of all levels to learn how to create immersive experiences.
We'll start by learning about the user interface, composing a scene, making your designs interactive, and finally, how to collaborate with others in Bezi. Be sure to stay tuned. This is just the beginning.